All right, let's jump right in. Today we're talking about something pretty huge, how you can totally transform your entire life just by changing the first 5 minutes of your day. Sounds wild, right? But stick with me.
Okay, just picture this for a second. Imagine waking up tomorrow morning and feeling completely, totally unstoppable, like nothing to get in your way. How would that change things for you? What could you really get done? That feeling, that's exactly what we're going to unpack.
And this quote, man, it just nails it. Every morning, you have the power to transform not only your day, but your entire life. See, we're not just talking about having a good morning here. It's so much bigger than that. It's about realizing that those first few minutes, that's the launch pad for everything that follows.
So how do we actually do this? Well, the trick is to stop thinking about your morning routine as a chore, something you just have to slog through. Instead, let's reframe it. Think of it like a daily quest, a quest to unlock your own potential. And every great quest has to start somewhere.
All right, part one of our quest, forging your foundation. Look, before you even think about stepping out into the chaos of the day, the emails, the meetings, all of it, you've got to prepare. You've got to get your mind right. This is basically you putting on your armor for the day's battle. And this armor? It's not complicated. It's forged from two super simple but crazy powerful things: gratitude and confidence. That's it. Sounds easy, right? But believe me, the impact is huge. So let's dig into what that actually looks like. First up, gratitude. This is the first piece of your armor, and it can start with something as simple as saying, I am grateful for this new day. When you do that, you're not just saying words. You are actively flipping a switch in your brain. You go from chasing after happiness to actually creating it right from the second you open your eyes.
And that second piece of armor? Self-belief. A lot of us think confidence is something you either have or you don't. But that's not it at all. It's something you build. You build it brick by brick, day by day. And saying something like, I believe in myself, well, that's you laying the very first brick of that foundation every single morning.
Okay, so your armor is on, you're feeling grateful, you're feeling confident. Now what? Well, once you're protected, you need a direction. You need a compass for your path. This next part is all about harnessing your focus, so you can actually choose where your day goes, instead of just getting dragged along for the ride. Now let's talk about a word that gets a bad rap: discipline. We usually think of it as, being all restrictive and no fun. But what if we've been looking at it all wrong? This definition just flips that on its head. Discipline isn't a cage. It's actually the key to your freedom. It's what gives you the freedom to hit your goals, to chase your dreams, to build the exact life you want. And this chart, it lays it out perfectly. There are basically two ways your day can go. On one side, you've got the day of reaction. You know that feeling. It's all stress, distraction, feeling pulled in a million directions. Then you've got the day of intention. That's focus, clarity, power. And the crazy thing is, the choice between these two paths, it's made in those first few minutes when you wake up. So, I concentrate fully on what I am doing. This is how you walk that intentional path. And honestly, the best way to think about concentration is like it's a muscle, for real. Every time your phone buzzes or your mind wanders and you pull your focus back to what you're doing, that's a rep at the gym for your brain. You are literally making that focus muscle stronger every single time. Okay, so we've got the armor, we've got the compass, but what's the point? Why are we even doing all this? And that brings us to the final, and honestly, the most important part of this whole quest: living your purpose. This is the big why. This is the treasure at the end of the journey. Because look, at the end of the day, this isn't just about ticking more things off your to-do list. The ultimate rewards are so much deeper. We're talking about finding real joy in the little moments, taking actions that actually mean something to you, having deeper connections with people. We're talking about building a happier tomorrow, and ultimately, living a life that feels full of purpose. Now that's the treasure we're after. And this thought right here, my actions today create a brighter, happier tomorrow. Man, this is the engine that makes the whole thing run. It's the link. It connects that tiny 5-minute routine in the morning to the huge, amazing life you're building. It's a powerful reminder that your future isn't some far-off thing that just happens to you. Nope, you're building it, right here, right now. So, that really brings us to the end. Every single day is a blank page, a brand new start. So after all this, there's really only one question left to ask, and it's for you. What are you going to write on your page tomorrow?